Are you afraid of opening your fridge because it's either dirty or it smells bad? I will show you a couple of ways where you can clean your fridge. First things first, take everything out. Start from the top to the bottom and looking at the expiration date of some of the items you have. Then you can sort them out and take them out and throw them. That's what I usually do. And I'm going to show you ways where you can clean on the budget, guys. And I'll show you later on what things I got at the Dollar Tree to clean the fridge. Again, you're checking for expiration date. How often do you clean your fridge? Once a week? Every 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, or more? Comment down below and let me know. Just share a little bit and what do you use. I am a mama of 3 and a wife, and I usually do cleaning videos, cooking African food, and just lifetime in general. If you're done watching this video, you can go ahead and subscribe if you want more cleaning tips. So we're just cleaning our fridge today, and I'm just emptying everything out the fridge before I even start any cleaning. You cannot clean a dirty place when it's full of stuff. This is one of the ways you can clean and sanitize your fridge for looking clean and smelling good. Cleaning vinegar from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to need some gloves. You're going to need a container to put all this stuff in, and just a little tiny of dish soap and a sponge to clean. And I'll put all this together and I'll cut a lemon. I just need the juice. If you just have the lemon juice, go ahead and just squeeze that in or just pour that in. And I'm going to mix all this together with just a little tiny bit of water. You can add some water, but just don't add too much. And don't add too much soap, because you have a hard time trying to clean that fridge. If you leave everything in it, it's gonna be more work. And just mix it up and let's go. So you can remove all those compartments in a refrigerator. I just remove the top 3, the biggest 3, and I usually just put on the side. You can wash those before you start doing anything, but I just soak them in the same liquid that I'm gonna clean the refrigerator in. That way you can just clean up. It's not that dirty, but when it's dirty, you can soak it up, spray it, or if you want to use a lot of soap for that, that's okay. Just like I say, removing only the 3 big ones, because it's hard sometimes to put those things back together. So I rather not give too much work to myself. So like I say, from the top to the bottom, go ahead and clean and scrub, and that's how dirty the fridge is. Yeah, so go ahead and scrub, and don't forget underneath, because sometimes you can't see. You might have to lift up the glass or the compartment. So just go in there and clean. I'm sorry if I'm not showing that much, but that's how you have to put yourself in there. I would have turned off the refrigerator. You can do that, but I didn't. I just wanted to show, because I need a light. You can unplug it, but I just left it on and I was closing it, so just saving energy, I guess. But yeah, go ahead and just scrub and clean, like I say, from top to bottom. Just be careful with the glass. You can remove it if you want. I just prefer not to. I'm just not trying to give myself too much work, like I said. And the bottom, that's where all the mess goes and falls. So just make sure you really scrub it extra and clean it extra. If you haven't cleaned your fridge in a while, or if you want to clean the outside or the bottom, so you can move move it, but you have to unplug it before you do all that stuff because you're dealing with electricity. And don't forget on the sides of the doors when you clean, just the crevices, you can just go in there and clean. So notice I did not put too much soap. If you want, you can add more soap, but like I said, I didn't want to put too much soap because it gives you so much work to clean it up. The vinegar does a lot of cleaning and smelling good. With even the lemon does a really great job. So you do not need soap. Even the one I use, it looks like it's a little bit more, but yeah. You can remove this little trays on the door, but I'm just cleaning them. I usually remove them. The ones that are dirty so much, I remove them and wash them. It's easier, but if it's not, I just clean it right there and there. I just save myself work of removing. But while I was cleaning, the bottom one fell off. So yeah, I had to take it out and actually just wash it. Don't forget the doors, going up and down, just clean the doors. And between the doors, if you have double, like I said, there it goes, it fell off. But it's okay, you can put it back together and yeah. Now I'm going to use like a damp um microfiber cloth to clean, and after that I am going to use a dry one to let's say dry dish towel to dry it up. You don't want to leave it all wet, so you dry it up before you finish, and that will leave everything clean and not damp. It's gonna be dry. If you got this far without liking the video, go ahead and like the video already, and go ahead and follow me if you're not following. I am a mom of three. I do cleaning, cooking, African food, and just motherhood and lifestyle in general. I just love to do videos on that aspect because I struggle with and I feel like it can help someone. One of the things I dread is washing or cleaning the refrigerator, but this can help you so much. One way, one place that you, if you're not gonna take all this out, is clean between the glass and the compartment. Go ahead and lift up the glass and clean. If you don't want to take it out, you, like I said, I'm always afraid of breaking it, so I leave it in and I clean it that way. And just make sure it's clean. You don't want to clean and then at the end you look at the and like at the bottom or between it is like water and it's all dirty. So yeah, just you might as well just do it already. So having this ingredients you can get either at the Dollar Tree or Walmart, wherever. Please clean the fridge this way, and you're gonna thank me later because I've every time that I do this, it's much cleaner. It smells better. It's better than trying to use bleach, and bleach is not good. And I used like I show when I was cutting the lemon, I did half, and the other half you can put it back in the fridge just for smelling good, or you can put baking soda. You can change that throughout the year. You can put one every month if you like, and just right there or inside in the middle in the fridge for it to smell good. Don't forget in the doorway, in the doors or between there, the crevices. And don't forget the outside. There's no point of cleaning the inside when the outside look dirty, so make sure you clean it too. Yeah, you can use just the rag or you can use a toothbrush if it's really that dirty. But if you do it every 2 weeks, you shouldn't have your refrigerator shouldn't be super dirty. Now let's dry up this refrigerator. You're going to need a clean and dry dish cloth. That way you can just dry up everything. You don't want to leave it damp. And when you're done, you can I'm going to clean the compartment that I left out with the soapy water that I used to clean the refrigerator with. You can use more soap, but I just used the same soap that I had because it was just enough. And go ahead and clean in and out. Like I say, it wasn't that much dirty. Sometimes things spill in there, but it was just okay. And there were 3 of them. I just washed each one, and then I dried them, and I'm going to put them back. Like I said, I already have a hard time with this, so I usually just take less. I take less because there's so much work trying to put them the way you take them, stack them like that, so you know which one goes where. But otherwise, you will struggle. Like, am I the only one who struggled putting this back together? Now you can put everything back. Just make sure you dry it. And voila, that's how my fridge looks like. It's so clean now. I can see the things everywhere whenever I open it, and you're not going to be afraid when somebody come over. You're gonna have a clean fridge. Just follow those steps. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.